Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how we can convert an Excel document into a PDF document. So you'll see it's gonna be pretty easy and this is what we're gonna do in this video. So first of all, what exactly you would need? You would need a Excel document at first. So you can open up the Excel document that you want to convert. Then after that, the next step will be to divide your Excel spreadsheet into pages that will be printed. So how exactly you can do this? It's pretty simple. So we will go in File, then we're gonna go in Print. And the moment you will click on Print, what's gonna happen is that your Excel spreadsheet will be automatically divided in different pages. So now, as you can see here, there are little lines that have appeared. And you know that this is one page. So this, for example, will be one. This, for example, will be one page. This will be another page. This will be another page. So this way, you know where exactly are the limitations of each of your page. So if we take this page, for example, and we fill it up, so you can do it with your own Excel document. I will do it just with this simple page right here. So I'll go there. I'll just add the borders. I'll call this place header. Here we'll have our footer. There we go. And here we will have our content. There we go. So right now we have pretty much everything that we need. So we have our content, our header, our footer. And now let's say I want to convert this page right here into a PDF document. So how exactly will I be able to do that? It's pretty simple. Once again, I'm gonna go here inside of print, and here I will select for the printer, print to PDF. So as you can see, there is a lot of printers. I'll select print to PDF, and then I can simply click on the print button. So as you can see here, it will be printed, and I'll be able to save it right here, and I'll call it Excel 1. And I'll save it right there. So here we go. As you can see, it has been saved right now. So the next step will be to verify what we have just did. So in order to do that, I will simply open up the document. So I'll open it up right there. And as you can see, this is the document that we have. So this is pretty much the document that we have created a little bit earlier with our Excel spreadsheet. So as you can see, this is how you convert an Excel document into a Microsoft PDF document. So we did this with one page. You can do it with the amount of pages that you want. So that's it for this video. Once again, if you liked it, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.